Hello everyone, this is Zaida Kolami from Agrimetaf Research Company, and in today's video I'm going to teach you simple and easy and fast ways to insert multiple rows in Excel. So you can see I have some data, and let's say I want to simply insert a row. You probably know that whenever I click any rows in here and right click on that and click insert, a row in above in the selected row will be created. So I can do it anywhere in my worksheet. Okay, so that's the easy inserting one row in Excel. But we know that whenever I insert a row in Excel and when I press F4, it just repeats my previous work. Okay, so now I'm repeating the inserting rows. So I can have as much as rows as I want by pressing F4. Another way to quickly have multiple rows in Excel is that you just select as much as rows as you want. So I want to add 5 rows right up right above of the March month, let's say. Okay, so I will select 5 rows and then right click and click insert. You can see above March I now have 5 additional rows. Okay, so of course whenever you do that, then you can press then you can press F4 to just repeat what you have previously done. Then the other thing, the other shortcut in here, of course these were not shortcuts but F4, but the shortcut that you can use in order to insert a row quickly is that you just need to select a cell which above that you need an empty row. So let's say I want an empty row above July. Okay, so now I need to press Alt I and R. You do not have to you should not press them like with each other. So you do not want to keep Alt and then press I and then keep I also and then press R. It doesn't work that way. It opens this window or something else based on your system. But in here you need to just right after each other Alt, then I, then R, and then boom, the new row in here. You also have that for inserting a column. So let's say I want an empty column right before station number 2. So I just select any cell in this column and then I go for Alt I and C, and you can see a new column is now added. I of course can repeat this action using F4. I just can repeat that action. So the other thing that you could have in your Excel worksheet and for inserting multiple rows is that when you want to add rows in some particular places, so you just need to select those rows that you want to add the empty rows, and then what you will do is that when you have selected them all, you right click and click insert, and you can see a new row is now added there. Also, you can select as much as cells that you want, then go for Alt I and R, and you can see that works again. So you can see I have October, July, and February. Alt I R, October, July, and February. Also, this works for the columns. So I want to have columns in here, let's say. So in here, I just need to select as much as cells that I want to have a column right before it. I keep Control and select the cells. Okay, then I go for Alt, I, and C. You can see the new columns, additional empty columns are now added to my worksheet. And of course in here, I can again click F4 and then repeat that action. That's it for today's video. I hope you learned something new. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video, and bye.